old one, that's the new one. We check to make sure everything is okay, and it seems everything is perfect, same shape, and this is premium quality. And this one sits like that. We cut this piece, but everything should be fine. All this bracket, this one came with it, this one, but I have to remove. But I don't need this anyway, so I just need this bracket here. Put this one in, lock it in, like that. Okay, just like that. This bracket is ready. Okay. قبل نضبط كل شيء. شيء هاي. هذا ماله واشر؟ انا شفت اكو واشر قصدي من هذا الباقي one. You see the old one has a washer. This is rubber ring washer, very important. See this one? It sits like that with the old one. Actually I almost forgot about it. So here's the new one. And we need to put this, it comes with the new washer, so you need to install it here, just like that. Now there is a slight difference, as you see that? A little bit. I see the different now, it is just slight different between the threads here and here. This is long threads, this is short thread, but I think this should fit because it is same head, and hopefully it will be no leak, but we can't tell until we install it and we test it. So let's put it back, you know, I mean, let's see. Hand tight first. very small area here. Just I mean, if you have a big hand, don't even try. You know, it's just not enough room at all. الدنيا 17 or 20. This is really bad. Come on, stop. ماكو مكان يطب ايده حطه. It's gonna take a really long time to do it, but it's okay. Probably as good, right? Okay, let's put the sensor back. Here's the sensor. Okay, good. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Now it's time to test. Merhaba. don't know how tight we have to tie this. I don't think it's gonna. Let's give it a try. So we haven't put all the brackets yet. We left all the brackets off. We just tied it down. We just want to make sure if there's no leak, because this is very, very important before we tie down everything and we put everything back. And this anyway, power steering fluid, OEM sauce. And we need more because I don't know, we'll see. We have to start the car and turn steering wheel left to right. That's the best way to test if there is any leak. But we need more power steering fluid. So after we'll be able to put one bracket on, but the second one it did not fit because the new hose, it is different shape, or I don't know. I tried, it did not fit at all. I don't want to spend more time because it is really, really difficult to do such a work. No space at all. Now this is the bracket up here. So the last bracket, it's behind this the exhaust system here. It's located beneath this air intake. It's very hard to see. You only have to feel it with your hand, with your fingers, and it's number 10. So there is a bolt there, the bolt mounted already, and now we need to put this net, and you just need to put your hand first there, you feel it, and then you put the net. Hopefully it will work. So it is really difficult, you know, I mean, it's just, you can't see bolts, you just have to feel them. You can't reach them, and it's so difficult. But this is one I just need to install. See, this is the one here. This, when we start the engine, maybe we'll remove most of the, so let's start the engine.
It shut it off.
Now we need to add more. Yeah, we need more. Yeah. Okay, so far there's no leak, but we still have to go deep and check very carefully, and because there's a lot of oil before left over, so we need to clean everything and check. We need to add just a little bit more. And then we have to turn the steering wheel left to right. واحدة. This side looks good, no leak here. And let's check this one. And this one looks good, no leak here. Good, excellent. Now we're gonna put the brackets back on.